High-purity germanium gamma spectroscopy automated sample introduction system. Supports batch processing of 12 samples of different sizes, unattended operation, automatic sample changing. When paired with intelligent measurement software, task scheduling, analysis, and reporting are all automated. Read the spectrum with one click and get a report instantly. No manual peak finding or calculation is required. It has a built-in library of thousands of nuclei, enabling automatic identification, activity calculation, and dose-rate display. It is compatible with different models of high-purity germanium detectors and supports upgrades to existing systems without the need for hardware modifications. This high-purity germanium automated sample introduction system is suitable for nuclear power plants, environmental protection, public health, customs ports, and research institutes.